Performing regular maintenance on your Paslode Pneumatic Stapler ensures continued performance on the job site while extending the life of your tool. Paslode tools are built for ease of maintenance. Aside from regular compressor and line maintenance, a few simple details will assure trouble-free operation and a long tool life. For purposes of demonstration, we'll be using the standard crown stapler. But note that the maintenance for the wide crown stapler is identical, so you can follow these same steps. All you need is Paslode lubricating oil, the Allen wrench provided, and a few clean shop rags. Start by taking the cap off of the tool. To do this, remove the 4 screws located in the cap. Once the cap is off, pull out the sleeve and driver blade. Take a minute to clean the excess grease or debris off of the sleeve, driver blade, cap, and inside of the housing. Apply Paslode lubricating oil to all visible O-rings. These will be found on the sleeve, driver blade, and cap. Insert the sleeve into the housing. You will hear a pop when it's been properly inserted. Then insert the driver blade facing flat side down. Finally, reinstall the cap and 4 screws. If you experience any issues after lubricating your tool, call Paslode Technical Support.